Merry, Merry Christmas, Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, my plus size fairies. Merry, Merry Christmas. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this Christmas vlog. I just woke up, do my same routine. It's around 6 o'clock. I wake up earlier than that, pray, do my readings. That's my routine for the day. And then now I want to start my cooking. I usually wake up early, but this time we're spending Christmas. My sister is hosting us. So I'm just doing the cooking so that if I come back tomorrow, I'll sleep by my mother's house. If I come back tomorrow, there's food and my husband needs to eat. It's Christmas Day. You know, girl, it's Christmas Day. So I need to prepare something in the morning, cook and prepare something in Christmas carols, music. But now I'm vlogging, I can't. So yesterday I did my table. I didn't finish. I did my table setting yesterday. I didn't finish because I'm not hosting, just to keep the colors, it's just to keep the place looking neat. I didn't put plates and what because I just wanted to, maybe when I come back I can do those for visitors. But anyway, I'm not hosting. Don't think these flowers are fresh flowers, guys. You know your fair. I wanted to buy fresh flowers, but you know your fair is a budget, so these flowers are artificial, obvious. Then I put this one as well. I mix the colors. My colors for this year, I'm doing mint green and pink, very feminine deco. So I put these candles, these small candles. I put these small candles, yeah, cheap in Pep. I bought it in Pep. Bought it in Pep. This artificial, bought it in Pep as well. In short, everything I bought it in Pep. This table, what do they call this? I forgot the name in English. Table runner, Pep. Everything you see, my flowers is in Pep. Also, I bought it in Pep. So I'm doing mint green this year, but I love those colors. Everything you see in Pep, bought it in Pep. And also I went with these pillows. You can see it's mint green and pink. You can see my curtains, they match my curtains. So let's move on to cooking, guys. These are my spices I'm using today. This is grounded cumin. Oh, another one. Grounded anise seed, paprika, grounded, and I'm going to use as well the bay leaves for the rice. I've got mixed herbs, thyme. Everybody knows every food needs salt. And I have my mixture of curry powders here. That is hot, medium, spice, and all that. And I'm going to use this for the rice. Never cut it. And then we're going to use the tomato paste. Remember, guys, this rice, jollof rice is a rice that cook in the tomato paste. So I will use tomato paste. Then I've done the mixture of yesterday. I've blended everything and put it here. A mixture of red peppers or scotch bonnet, chili, and all those things. Maybe next time I'll show you what I did. So this is what we're going to use. The same spices I'm using for the rice, the same spices I'm using for the meat, I'll use it for the rice as well. So this is what we are doing. So salad, I'll do it in the I'll make it. shall we do the half a teaspoon? Half a teaspoon on top of the meat in the corner. Then I'm going to do my cut powder. Next, chicken stock. This one is not chicken stock. Chicken stock. So I have chicken stock in this house. Guys, this is my meat now. This is my meat. I'm going to put it 2 lines chicken and down is turkey. It's turkey drumstick that is cut. So this is my meat. This is my stock now. I'll start now preparing for, this is my stock. You see how thick it is? This is my stock. I'll use it for my rice. Now I'm using the same pot to cook the rice. So I've been heating the oil. So now I'm going to do my onions. This is my onions. On the same pot I did the meat and the stock. This rice is tomato based. It's cooked on the tomato based, and you put tomato paste. I don't measure, I measure with my eyes. That's it. Don't mind the rest of oil because I need to fry my tomatoes. I need to fry them until the water is finished, so I need a lot of oil. Then I will remove it when I. That's so about. This is the next thing now. I'll put all of it because I want this not to be dry, to be gorgeous, like my plus size fairies. So I'll put all of it. Next time I'll show you how I blended it. This is my blended pepper. So we are putting our blended peppers. We allow it once now the water is completely finished, then we start putting our spices. So we're going to close it. Once it has boiled, the water is completely finished, we put our spices, all our spices, and seed, whatever. Then I put my paprika to bring the color even more red. I don't want it to get much. This is turmeric, guys. Again, it's cheap. I bought it in the. I just put it here. A little bit of turmeric, and then I have my curry powders here. Then my bay leaves. My bay leaves. I don't measure, guys. I put as I go. Maybe 3 because of the rice is a little bit big today. I step. I allow it for a few minutes to cook back. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. Then we give it some time, and then I need to put my stock. So with your stock, guys, don't put too much because we've already made a stock here. But I like to have a little bit of stock because I know this one that I put there is not going to be enough. Just put your stock, try to break it, and that's the time for salt now. I'm not going to put too much because I don't know. My stock is, I have salt already. And I said, how do you know that? How you know your tomato is ready? When you start seeing the oil there, the tomato will be down, the oil will be up. So this is, it should tell you that it's ready to start putting your spices. Tell you that is now. You can take out the starch, your rice will be like pap. I wash it until the water becomes clear. When the water is clear, I know that the starch is out completely. This is 4 cups of rice. I always measure that way because I'm always using this pot. And the reason why I'm using this pot is because it can steam. Because you don't need a lot of water. We don't want the rice that will be looking like stick. That is overcooked. So this one, I've washed it nicely. I never boiled it. Don't boil. This is how it will start cooking. After this process, you can put it in the oven or use this place too, or use the stove. This dish you can cook it as well in the oven. But this is how I do it. After this process, now I will follow it with my stock. After this, I'm putting my stock inside. Then I must close it. Reduce the stove. It must be steaming. This is my stock. It goes in here. Then later, when it's about getting ready, then I'll put my I'll put my green beans. You can put your green beans or your carrots. But this is how my stock inside is going to be gorgeous. This is my stock. Now it's ready. We just close the lid. We allow it to steam and cook and do its own thing. This is my churro, guys. I've added the green beans only. I've added green beans. And it got chili and it's delicious. I want to remove it from my pot and put it in my bowl. So delicious. Look at it. Fabulous. This is my chicken, guys. My take. Hi guys, I'm on my way to my sister's place now, but I will start by my mother's place. I forgot to show you guys what I'm wearing, but anyway, you've seen it. You've seen this dress. This dress I've used it in one of my try-on hauls, and the shade from Mr. Price, 40 Rand, and some sneakers. So I will see you guys when we get there. We'll be vlogging along the way. See you guys. I'm home. This is my sister and her daughter, guys. We are looking gorgeous. Merry Christmas. The setup is gorgeous. It's gorgeous, like plus size fairies. Look at the setup. Unfortunately, the host is she's tired from the hard work. This is my sister. Is my sister who's following me at the back. She's so tired. She's of hosting. This is a big job, guys. Look at this. What? Yeah, fit your rice, son. It's a setup. Let me fit your rice. It's going down, guys. It is going down. Look at. Woo! Delicious. Thank you for watching
our Christmas video.
Subscribe and turn the notification bell on. See see you in another vlog. Bye.